how to solve a skewb. Okay, so this is a very easy puzzle. I would definitely learn this. And so let's get right into it. So first you need to find the white center. The white center is right here. I already have it on the top. So, and the first step is to get the white side and all of these colors match up. So let's find any piece, this piece. So what we can do is just move it in there because it was lined up right. And here's a white and blue piece, and so the white and blue piece needs to go here. So what we want to do, move it down, but then you could line it up, but we have a problem here. So if you want to line it up, then it'll break that one. So what we want to do, take it to the whole other side of the cube, then we can move it in right, and then sometimes you may want to undo that setup move. Well, not the setup move, but the move that you did earlier to get it. Oh, if you're doing it on the last piece. So we have a piece under here, it needs to go into here. So what we can do, move it over here, line it up right. We don't have to worry about breaking anything. Then we can move it in. Okay, so now we have one more piece. Just take it out. Then, but we have a problem. I'll show you this one again. So if we line that one up, that'll break it. So what we want to do, change it over here, then move it, and then we won't break this piece, so we can just line it back up. Okay, so now what we need to do is get all 4 of these be yellow pieces. So there is 3 cases you can have. One is where all three are like this, and one is where you have chameleon eyes and headlights, and one is where you have like one on the top, one right there, one right there, and one right there. And so in this case we have headlights on the side and chameleon eyes like this. So we need to do our first algorithm, and this is called a sledgehammer. If you're watching like a more advanced tutorial that's like, do a sledgehammer doing this, now you know. So we want to hold the chameleon eyes on the left and the headlights on the right. Then we do right down, right up, left up. Okay, so that doesn't always bring the yellow center up, but I got lucky. And so I'll show you the next case right now. Okay, so the next case that you can have is where you don't have it. You have 2 on the top and 2 on this side. So what you want to do is hold it like you would do a right center. One's on the left top and one's on the bottom right. And then you want to do a sledgehammer. Just like that. And now you'll have a case that you already know how to do. Is where you have headlights and chameleon eyes, do a sledgehammer. And then, now what we need to do is bring this yellow center up to here. So this is very easy. What I want to do, hold the yellow center on the back and have the yellow on top. So now what we need to do is do a sledgehammer. Now turn the cube all the way around and then do another sledgehammer. Then we have just brought this yellow center up and into its spot. So we have the white and yellow. Okay, so now the next step is to move all of these centers around so they go in. So sometimes make a case where all 4 of these aren't solved, but in my case I have one that's like this. So what you want to do, if you look on the way that you know how to hold it is you look and see if it's opposites. So, say this is orange and red are opposites and blue and green are opposites on a normal cube. So, what you want to do is hold it so it's in the front and have the center, the side that you have solved on the bottom. Then you want to do sledgehammer. Turn the cube all the way around, and then do another sledgehammer. and you have this cube solved. But I'll show you the other case right. The case that you can have is where all 4 are wrong. So this is a very easy case to solve. Sometimes all the colors may not be opposites. That doesn't matter. You just want to do a sledgehammer, turn the cube all the way around, then do another sledgehammer. Then you always have a side solved. Hold the side on the bottom, have opposites, sledgehammer, turn the cube all the way around, and then do another sledgehammer. And that is how you solve the skewb. Hopefully this helps, and goodbye.